60 years, 18 Mustangs. Let's go. 1965 Fastback. Nobody asked for it. Ford sold 559,000 in year one. It won a Tiffany Design Award. Respect. 1967 GTA. Bigger, heavier, big block V8. 472,000 sold. Oh, and this is the bullet car. Steve McQueen in that chase scene did more for Mustang sales than Ford's entire marketing budget. Not even close. 1969 Mach 1 Cobra Jet. 300,000 sold. 335 horsepower. Officially, everyone knew it was more. 1970 Boss 429. They took a NASCAR engine and put it in a street car. Had to move the battery, relocate the steering, rebuild the whole front end just to fit it. This thing isn't a car, it's a legend with wheels. 1974 Mustang 2. Okay, deep breath. Oil crisis hits, Ford panics, Pinto platform, no V8 at launch, 385,000 sold. The internet has never forgiven this car, but it literally saved the Mustang from extinction. 1979 Fox Body. The 5.0 is back, 369,000 sold. America exhales. This became the car of every guy with a mullet, a leather jacket, and absolutely zero regrets. Greatest automotive comeback of the decade. 1985 GT hatchback, 156,000 sold. 210 horsepower in 1985 was genuinely terrifying. 1987 GT hatchback, 163,000 sold. New face, flush headlights, and Ford just straight up removed the V6. Pick a side, tiny 4-cylinder or screaming V8 monster. No middle ground, absolute respect for the commitment. 1993 Cobra SVT, 114,000 sold. The last Fox body ever built. 235 horsepower SVT send-off. 3 full generations of Camaro came and went while this single platform was running. 1994 GTSN 95, 123,000 sold. Ford actually listened to customers. Wild concept, 3-bar taillights back. Motor trend, car of the year. The Mustang didn't just return, it returned knowing exactly who it was. 2003 Mach 1, 130,000 sold. Shaker hood scoop, racing stripes, 305 horses. Ford looked at the calendar and said, "We are not going out quietly." Criminally underrated farewell. 2005 GTS 197, 160,000 sold. Ford went full retro and the entire world lost its mind. Fastest selling Mustang since 1966. Sometimes nostalgia is just correct. 2010 GT Premium, 73,000 sold. The S197 grew up. Refined, composed, finally not embarrassing on the inside. Every legend needs that one solid, confident middle act. This was it. 2018 GTP P2, 75,000 sold. This car lapped the Nürburgring faster than a Porsche Cayman, a Mustang, faster than a Porsche. In Germany, the audacity is genuinely unmatched. 2020 Shelby GT 500, 80,000 sold. 760 horsepower. Most powerful production Ford ever built. Camaro already dead. Challenger on the way out. GT 500 didn't gloat. It just kept revving. Quietly. Menacingly. 2024 Dark Horse. 30,000 and counting. Last pony car standing. Camaro gone. Challenger gone. 500 naturally aspirated horsepower. Ford said, "If this is the end of the era, we are going out swinging." 2030 concept. Hybrid 5.8, full electric option. The shape? Still unmistakably, undeniably Mustang, because Ford knows you do not mess with the horse. 2040 concept. Nobody truly knows what this looks like yet, but 60 years proved one thing: the Mustang always finds a way. Always. 1965 to 2040. Which one is your Mustang? Drop it in the comments. And if you loved this, you already know what to do.